Okay, boys and girls, here's lesson number 1 in how to gold pan. First, you're going to need some pay dirt, and this is from a claim called the Bonanza Claim. I believe it's in the Yukon. That's possibly British Columbia and near Alaska, but in Canada. And then you need a sifter to sift out the big rocks because the gold is mostly in small flakes and little nuggets. And then you need a super pan, which is, I believe, a 14-inch pan with 2 sets of riffles. And let's go to lesson number 1, how much to put in. Usually you take about a handful, I know it sounds like a little bit, but a handful only of the pay dirt, and you put that into the pan. Actually, you put it in 2. You put the sifter on top of the pan, like that. Here's the pan, sifter on top of the pan. You take a handful. Be careful not to spill it. Now, you can just dry wash it. Take all the bigger rocks out. And in the bottom, you have the sifted pay dirt.